Hi, hello and welcome. In this course, I will show you a different way of storing variables, but in this case, it's going to be text variables. So let's say you want to store a big amount of text, and you cannot really do that inside of a JSON because it's going to get messy. What you can do to do this is, instead of using this progressive JSON data field, you can use a txt file. So let's call it description.txt. And from here, you can write a description. So, hello. And from here, you can also store code inside of this. This will be read by the compiler, and it will execute whatever you tell it to execute. So this, let's say we want to display this text onto our description right here. Okay. So to do this, we could call the element. And then from here, we could just do inner HTML, and then we could do, and we start writing the name of the file just as we do with progressive JSON data fields, and we can see that it's detecting it. So description, text bundle, call with variables, or just call the thing. And I'm going to explain later how do you call with variables. Okay, so right now I'm just going to show the description, and I will run the page. You can see that it's exactly saying what was written into the description, right? So that's pretty cool. And the same way you would do it with normal files onto a computer-based language, so like Python or C++, you can like split down this text into multiple parts, so you can make config files, you can make whatever you want. But with this, you cannot change it. You cannot change anything in the file like you would do it into a PGDF file. So this is persistent, it stays like that, you cannot change the value. But there's another way you could play around with this. So let's say you want to show different types of stuff on your string. Okay, so let's say I want to say hello, my name is, but I don't want to say Shawnee. I want to customize this so that the user sees his name instead of mine. I would go here and enter this, the same way you would enter a formatted string in JavaScript, but you do it like that, and you tell a variable. So let's say username, and then here you see you could write hobby, user hobby, and then this would like change to be I am a user. And then these two variables, you have to remember it. So right now in my main, if I go here and start writing description, we're going to see text bundle with call with variables. From here, it's going to enter a opened curly brackets, which I can start writing the name of the variables. So right now you can't see it because it's blue on black. But if I do this and that, I can start writing whatever I want the username to be. So let's say I want to say Peter. And then let's go get the other variables. User hobby, and then I could say here his hobby is golfing. So now if I preview, I can see Peter and he loves golfing. So that's pretty much how you do that. Alright, see you.